No keys again? Every parent's nightmare. And just like that, your day's on pause. But Locked makes sure your children never stay out. A simple pin, and they're safely in. Bags are packed, the holiday mode is on, until it hits. No worries with Locked. It has your back. You can simply check your door anytime and from anywhere. One tap and your house is safe. Coming home with your hands full? Traditional locks don't care. But Locked does. It knows when you're home. One simple touch, and you're in. Locked. Unlock the full potential of your door.